Hey guys, it's your boy Android Dubs up here, and if you don't know what this video is about, it's not my music. It's been over Tumblr, Facebook, Instagram. It's insane. And what I'm talking about is this: fidget spinners. They've increased so bad. Like you can see a pattern in this, and there's. Let's see if we can get closer. You can see a pattern. Like boys frequent females, not that bad. You can buy light up bearings, so when you spin it, like it lights up in the dark. Got a dark shit body. Sadly, I can't take the bearings out, but without these caps, look really solid. So comment below if you what colour should I get next. Comment below if you can see a pattern as it spins. You ready? Comment below if you can see a pattern where it spins. What sort of shape. So, like, these things are like awesome. You can balance, do tricks with them. So, it's not much of a video, it's just an overall and how much they are and how satisfying they're. This is that noise. Oh, that's so satisfying. So, I'll leave a link down into eBay. You can go and check them out. And pretty much spin out.